from the gym. I obviously, if you're watching the video, only got like 2 sets of deadlifts. It was super frustrating. I have never done sumo. As a rule of thumb, I learned conventional. I do conventional. The movement felt very weird for me, and you'll see it in the clip. I think I'm hyperextending. Like, it's just an awkward movement. Like, 185 for me is not a difficult pull. However, in sumo, it was not feeling great. So, if I want to deadlift twice a week and do sumo, I need to knock the weight down and not be prideful and just focus on getting the moment right. And you know what? Sometimes this happens. Some days you have really shitty days when you lift, and it's just something that you have to, you know, get used to. It happens to the best of us. So you guys will see it in the following clip. It's just not, it's not a great lift. It doesn't look great. It's not fantastic, but it is what it is. And hopefully over the next 8 weeks, my sumos will be badass. So take a look at the following clip, and I will see you guys shortly. Well, cardio is done. A whopping 350 calories of bliss, which I did not tape because no one needs to see me sweating on the ARC trainer. Swear to God, like, I got super dark in here. I do not hate anything more than I hate freaking cardio, but it is so essential to torching fat, and I wish it wasn't, but it is. So, obviously workout footage in the future is going to include more. It was just really hard to get footage tonight because it was busy in my gym. And also I was acting like a little bitch because I was really mad at my sumo deadlifts. So, enjoy the video, like it, comment, subscribe. Yeah, do it because it helps me get feedback. It helps me better your videos. I know the quality is super crappy. I'm working on my ninja editing skills because they're lacking right now. I'm very aware of how much they're lacking, but I will get better at it, or I will try very, very hard to get better at editing them. So until Sunday when I make a progress video, we're gonna weigh in and all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys then. Bye, fam.